In this video here, we're going to take a look at returning values from functions. So with our functions, we're able to take values inputted into the function and then return something different. So this allows us to create a new value out of that we can then use within our program. So you'll see our first definition here is for this is called square, and we are sending in a number. And then what we return out of this, so what this produces is a value that can be accessed, which is the number squared. And so you see here, if we have the result equal to square 4, when we print result, the square of 4 is 16. So we can actually return that 16 value and save that in square from the function. So this allows us to send back values that have been manipulated within the function. In the second case, we have a define is even, where we're taking in the value n, and then simply returning the value true or false. This here, n mod 2 will equals 0 will either be true or false. Is the number returning 0 as its remainder, or true, which would be then be true, or is it false? It's returning something that's not 0, and then that'll tell us even or odd. And so we can use this to do a lot of processing of code when we want to find out the even odd values, maybe making alternating lines, things like that. And so when we call that function, we've set value equal to 7. So when we call is even, if the return value here of is even, so this will call is even up here, the value is 7, 7 mod 2, and in this case here 7 is an odd number, so that it returns false, and we get the 7 is odd as the return.